Now, let's create a thread to implement the steering function. Click the Code tab, then click Events, drag the When Clicked icon to the script workspace. This is the entry point for our steering function thread. To steer the spaceship, we need to know which way the player wants to go. The player will use the arrow keys on the keyboard to tell us. Pressing the left arrow key means go left, and pressing the right arrow key means go right. So how do we get this input? We get the input by asking the question, is the left arrow key pressed? So now click Sensing and drag the key pressed icon into the script workspace. Select left arrow from the drop-down list. Next, we take action based on the answer. So click Control and drag the If-Then icon into the script workspace and attach it to When Clicked. Now, take the key pressed icon and drop it into the If hexagon. This asks the question, if the left arrow key is pressed, then we'll move the spaceship left by 1 pixel. To do that, click Motion, then drag the Change X by icon between the if pincers. Now replace 10 with -1 in the value oval. Now we'll use similar steps to create the right arrow button input. Except this time we'll ask, is the right arrow key pressed? And we'll replace 10 with 1 in the value oval to move the spaceship to the right by 1 pixel instead of the left. Now, press the flag button and use the left and right arrow keys to try your steering function. But the ship doesn't move. What's wrong? Watch Lesson 5 to find out. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.